Hi, this is Guy Barker here. Welcome to Herbi.org. Somebody asked me recently about how to limit the letters that are shown in Herbi Writer to be only those letters from the student's name. So, the best way to do this is by going to the Settings window. I was just taking the pen out of the computer there. So I'll click the Settings button. Okay, and then going to the Customize tab there. Okay, and then down in this window here, typing the letters from the student's name. So say if the student's name is Michael, I'll type out the letters there, click the OK button. Okay, so now the letters that are going to be shown are only those letters from the name Michael. And if I were to click the little drop down arrow up towards the top left here, we can see that the letters that are available are only those letters that I typed in. Now, there are actually a few constraints to using this feature, which unfortunately there's no indication in the program as to what those constraints are. So I'll go through those now. I'll bring up the Settings window again, and then the Customize tab there, and we still have Michael there. Now, for this feature to work, the letters that you add down here must all be lowercase letters, little letters. So if you do type uppercase letters, then the letter is actually ignored. And what's more, you can't put a space in the letters you type here either. So I had intentionally typed Michael using only lowercase letters with no spaces in it. So that's one of the constraints. Another is that the current letter set that you're using must be one of the letter sets that contains 26 letters. So I had the lowercase letters set there, and it says showing lowercase letters at the top here, and so I could specify the set of letters interested in here. If I wanted to have uppercase letters, I can only have either uppercase letters or lowercase letters. What I would do is go to the uppercase letters here, and then I'd type in the letters that I'm interested in, say like John, but again I must type lowercase letters there, and then I click OK, and now if I go up here, we can see that only the letters J-O-H-N are going to be shown, and because we have the uppercase letters set, it's going to show the letters in uppercase. Ooh, and I got that wrong. Try that again. There we go. Okay, now one thing I did notice while I was making this video is that the letters that are shown here are in alphabetic order, not in the order that I type them. And so what that means is, if I say I want to start a game but I don't want the letters in random order, it's still going to show them in alphabetic order. So perhaps it would be more useful if I said I only want a certain set of letters shown, and I say I don't want it in random order, then perhaps it should show it in the order in which I typed it, which is the order in which the letters appear in the name, rather than the alphabetical order of the letters. So perhaps if you think that would be a useful change, please do let me know at barker@herbi.org. Now I could look into making that change. And similarly, if there are other changes you'd like to see made to this feature, please do let me know and I'll see what I can do. Great, thank you.